In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to buy the meme coin Toshi. Now, this is a very quick and simple thing to do, so make sure you watch this video all the way to the end so you don't miss any important steps. Now, in order to buy the Toshi meme coin, what I first recommend you do is head over to CoinGecko and then search for Toshi. This is so that we can find the right contract address for this coin, because otherwise you may end up buying a scam coin. So here we can see Toshi, and down here we can find the contract address. So we can see that this is launched on Base, so we're going to have to keep that in mind. From here, we can copy this contract address, and we now are ready to buy Toshi on Base. Now, if it's your first time heading over to Base, you will actually have to connect to the Base network, as well as send some Ethereum on the Base network over to your wallet. So to start with, you'll first have to add the Base network, and I recommend using this website called Chainlist. All you have to do is connect your wallet, and from there you can search for Base. You'll then be able to find this one, and you can simply click Add to MetaMask. And you'll then get a pop-up like this saying, do you want to allow this site to add a network? And you can simply go ahead and approve that to add the network to your MetaMask wallet. Once we've done that, we can head over to Uniswap, and we just want to make sure we are on the Base network. So we can go up to the top right corner, and by default it will be set to Ethereum, but we want to go down and switch to Base. From there, you want to make sure you have some Ethereum in your wallet, and as you can see, I do have a small amount in here, which I'm going to use to buy Toshi. So what we can do from here is click this pink button to select a token, and we can paste in that address that they gave us earlier. And from there, we can find Toshi right here. So we can click on this, and we just want to make sure we read and understand this warning, and then when you have done that, you can click I understand. So from here, we're going to set our slippage, because by default it'll be quite low. So since it's a meme coin, it shouldn't have any tax, which means we could set this to like 3. And from here, we can choose how much Ethereum worth we want to buy. So let's just say I wanted to buy 0.001 worth of Ethereum. I can type that in here, and it will show that I almost get 6,500 Toshi. So in order to actually buy this, we can simply click swap, and then we can confirm the swap. And all you have to do from here is actually confirm the transaction. Now I'm using Rabby wallet, however you can do this on MetaMask too. It doesn't actually matter which wallet you're using. When you complete that transaction, it will say swap success, and you can now close it. And as you can see, I've now bought Toshi with my Ethereum on the Base network. So that's how you can buy the Toshi meme coin. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.